Alright guys, in this video I'm going to explain what are arithmetic operators. And it's right about here. So, the arithmetic operators are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So each answer, let's declare that. And answer equals 3 plus 4. So, let's declare variable. Int answer equals 3 plus 4. Well, if you run this program, we will get, let's display that. We get 7. If you say 3 minus 4, we will get -1. If you say 3 times 4, we will get 12. And if you say 3 divided by 4, well, you will get 0 because the remainder is truncated. Now, here's an example. Answer equals answer plus 2 is actually the same way of writing answer plus equals 2. Well, answer equals answer plus 2 is basically give the answer a value of answer plus 2. So it's actually giving a value of itself. And divided by equals or plus equals minus equals, well, it is all actually the same thing. So it's like all of this thing here. So you could say answer plus equals 4. And if you, so maybe let's declare that before here. Answer plus equals 4. Run. You get 4 because the answer, if you don't give it a value yet, it will be 0 at the start. And the next is this function. Well, it is just basically a modulus sign. Well, it's basically taking the remainder of what divided by what. So answer plus equals 4. You can say answer modulus 3. You will get 1. And yeah, because 4 divided by 3 is basically equal to 1 with the remainder of 1. And that's good. So the modulus sign is useful when taking the remainder. And yeah, everybody, that's basically arithmetic operators. If you like a copy of this code, I'll post this in the comment section down below. And if you like this video, make sure to smash it like that button, leave a red comment down below, and subscribe me. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!